now. All right, so here are the big things right now. Everybody look up. Everybody look up. Right now there's a -6, right? And there's also a times by 2 right here. So which one do you take care of first? Cole.
It's, you take care of the -6 first.
Why?
Because since you're like trying to figure out something else, you gotta do PEMDAS backwards.
Yes. Everybody write down PEMDAS. Because when we're simplifying, we do PEMDAS. So when we're going backwards, we do it backwards. So we're going to start with adding and subtracting. This is the first thing you do. And then multiplying and dividing is the second. And then exponents, which we probably won't get to right now, and parentheses, which we might. So first you get rid of any adding or subtracting. Then you get rid of the multiplying and dividing. Then you do exponents. Then you do parentheses. Okay, so what's the opposite of -6? So everybody write +6 on both sides. Now we've got 2a equals what? 10. And this is like times 2, so to get a by itself, we divide by 2. So you get a equals 5. Harder than yesterday, not too bad though. We will be getting very hard pretty soon.
Oh.
Uh-huh. Next up, please write n plus 1 all divided by -2 equals 15. Draw your line and then wait for me. Haley, have you written this down? See that lie on her face? It was like clear as day. Okay. Now, do you remember how I just told you that the first thing you do is you take care of any adding and subtracting? This one you don't. Does anybody know why that we're not getting rid of the +1 first? Yeah?
Because since it's being divided by 2, you can't like get rid of it. 'Cause the problem will be like negative.
Yeah. Does anybody have a good PEMDAS reason why I can't do it yet?
Nope.
Yeah?
Technically, that would be in parentheses.
Yes, technically this top is in parentheses because it's all of it being divided by -2, which is what you said. So do you guys see how all of it's being divided by -2? Okay, so all of it's being divided by -2. Lauren, are you with me?
Yeah, there's.
Okay,
Sorry.
so the whole thing's being divided by -2. So to get rid of the divided by -2, how do I get rid of that? I'm going to multiply by -2 on both sides. Then I'm left with n plus 1. I don't need those parentheses anymore because it's the only thing left. Equals -30. And then what? -1, which is -31. Now, if you ever have a moment where you're like, I don't know if I did this problem right. I don't know if I did the right steps. Look up. Look up. Don't ignore me. I know it's hard. It's school. It's Thursday. We're all beat. You can do it. Hey, better news. Okay, unless you work all weekend. So, if I plugged in -31 into this top one, what's -31 plus 1?
30.
-30. And if I took -30 divided by a -2, I'd get +15. Do you see how you can go through it in your head and check? You could also write it down if you really want to, but you don't have to. All right. Example 3. This one is worth a prize. This one you're doing with your partner. You're going to talk with them. Every single person's going to talk. What? What did you say? 2/5 C plus 150 equals 630. Okay, a couple things I want to remind you. Everybody look up. Number 1, there's a multiply right here, right? To get rid of a fraction, you multiply that by the reciprocal. And number 2 is you're allowed to use your calculator if you want to. Go get one if you need to. Talk to your partner. Yeah, the answer is 1,200. Yep. Bentley.
No, I meant.
Scoot over, hon.
So for when I did first, split it, trying to do 2 times 150 over 1.
Not quite. So, what do you have to get rid of first, the times or the add? Yeah, so first subtract 150 and then do your plus. Talk to your partner, help them. Call me over if you're both stuck. What's the number on the right?
What?
You did? Why are you doing that? Why? No. No, I shouldn't do it. Stupid.
You wanna go over?
No, where did this white, now why do we have white C now? Where did the 5 halves go? I agree. So you subtract 150, right? And then you multiply both sides by 5 over 2. You just wrote 5 over 2 and then just walk away. So it needs to be now 5 halves C.
Or is it now?
2/5. 2/5. So now multiply by 5 halves on both sides.
You mean 2 over 5? This one's for pride.
5 over 2, because you're flipping it. This one's for pride, yes. It is a stone. It has no meaning. Oh, it does feel like a stone. No, it's just like a stone.
Yeah, probably.
But it feels really nice. And I like necklaces that have weights in them. Feel it in your hands. It's like small. So I tend to sit.
Have you ever tried a fidget pen or fidget pencil?
I have it.
Fidget pencils?
Are they cool?
It's quite similar.
I guess so. Have you seen contact lenses? Now that's you use like a glass sphere, and you just bounce it around your chance. Looks like it's just going around your arms.
I've seen, yeah, it's like, it looks like they're almost rolling like across your skin. All right, talk to your partner, decide if you want to come up here.
Yes, just to meet you.
All right, here we go. I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're 5, 6, 7, 8 in the back. 9, 10, 11, 12. That is every single. No wait. Yes, it is. Every single person in here. Kind of hoping it's going to end up being Justin because I think it's going to be funny. 5. All right, who is writing and who's talking?
I'm talking.
Okay, Cole.
Yes.
You are Cole, so I would ask that you talk slow.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's all right. So backwards order of PEMDAS, you minus the 150 on both sides first to start, and then you still do two fifths. You can't just get rid of that now, and then it's 2/5 C equals 480, and then after that you got to get rid of 2/5 of the C. So you got to times by 5/2, which is the opposite or reciprocal of 2/5, and also do that to both sides. And 480 times 5/2. If you want to cross reduce, you can do 2 equals 1 now, and 480 equals 240. And 240 times 5 is 1,200. And that's it. And then you put it back over, and C equals 1,200.
Beautiful. Fantastic job.
Good job.
You could have also said, here, make sure you put a C here. You could have also said that 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So you could have just multiplied by 2.5, and that would have worked. Or 2.5. Nice job, grab a prize. Very proud of you. All right, now